Welcome back to Software Hub. If you want to schedule WhatsApp messages automatically and send them at any date and time without forgetting, then this video is for you. I'll show you the complete step-by-step method. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more useful tutorials. Now, let's get started. You can see in WhatsApp or WhatsApp Business, there is no built-in option to schedule messages like emails. So let me show you how we can schedule messages in WhatsApp, WhatsApp Business, Instagram Messenger, and Telegram using a simple app. First of all, open Play Store. Click on the search icon. Search here SKEDIT. Install this app. When it is installed, open the app. From here you can sign in with Google, so you can also schedule emails through this app. Signing in is optional for basic features, but it helps sync some features across devices. Let me sign in first. If you click the three lines on the left side, you will see many features over here. Most of these features are paid, but the message scheduling feature that we need is available in the free version. You can upgrade to their premium plan later if you want access to more advanced features. Now go back to the main dashboard. Over here, click the plus icon. From here, select the app where you want to schedule the message. I am using WhatsApp Business, so let me select WhatsApp Business. If this warning symbol is shown, click on it from here. This app requires some permissions to work properly. Simply enable all of them. These permissions allow the app to open messaging apps automatically and send the scheduled message at the exact time you choose. You can also enable the SKEDIT accessibility service. This is one of the most important permissions because it allows the app to interact with other apps automatically when the scheduled time arrives. Then, over here, it will ask you to provide your screen lock information. This is required because if your phone is locked, the app needs a way to unlock the screen and complete the message sending process. If you have a pattern lock on your phone, you can remove it and apply a PIN or password instead. Since those methods usually work better with automation apps, after all the permissions are done, go back. In the schedule, type dropdown, you can select what we are scheduling, such as contacts/groups, status updates, WhatsApp polls, and more. Simply select contacts/groups. Then, in title, you can type anything to remember what this message is for. For example, I am writing happy birthday message. This field is optional and only helps you organize your scheduled tasks. You can ignore it if you want. Then, in the message box, type the message that you want to send. Make sure to double-check your message before scheduling it so you do not need to edit it later. Here you will also see some AI assist options, which are part of the paid features. After that, you can also select any attachments with your message, such as images, documents, or other files, depending on the platform you are using. Then select the date and time when you want the message to be delivered. This is useful for birthday wishes, business reminders, follow-ups, or important announcements that you do not want to forget. Then, in Recipients, click the plus icon and select WhatsApp Business. In WhatsApp Business, select the contact to whom you want to send the message. You can also select multiple contacts if you need to send the same message to several people. After everything is done, click the Done button on the top. Now let's wait for the message to be sent automatically. You can see it will show a 5-second countdown before sending. This countdown gives you a final chance to cancel the scheduled message if needed. You can disable this countdown from the app settings also. You can see after sending, it shows a notification, confirming that the message has been delivered successfully. If My Mobile is locked, it will automatically unlock it, open WhatsApp, and send the message to the selected contact. But make sure your internet connection is active at the scheduled time, otherwise the message will not be sent successfully. Now let's try the same thing on Instagram. Simply open the app again, click the plus icon and select Instagram. Then, in Recipients, click the plus icon and select Instagram. It will open Instagram. Over here you can select the account from your existing messages, or simply search for the person manually. You can see it is selected successfully, then type your message here. After that, set the date and time just like we did for WhatsApp. Now let's close all apps and wait for the scheduled time. You can see it is doing everything automatically. I am not touching anything. Now let's check whether the message was sent or not. You can see the message has been sent successfully. Using this app, you can also schedule emails, Telegram messages, and many other types of messages. This can save time and help you send important messages even when you are busy or away from your phone. If this video helps you, consider subscribing and click the bell icon for more latest updates. Thanks for watching.